Hi everyone, my name is Shelmin and I'm from the Ratio.City product team. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool but underrated tool in the Ratio.City platform to create data visualizations. We're going to pop into Explore in the platform here. I've got Toronto and I'm looking at the parcel boundaries layer. I'm sure lots of you who use our platform are familiar with this layer. If we click on the map, you'll see the pop-up and all the data associated with this map layer. But did you know that you can use some of the data fields that you see in this pop-up to change the way the layer looks? I'm going to open the layer details and let's have a look at the styling section down here. We can change basic stuff like opacity. More interesting is using the data-driven styling option. We can use the data fields available in this data set to create map visualizations. If I wanted a visualization showing the existing FAR in this area, I can change the data field and colors. We can even enable extrusion to give us an idea of this in 3 dimensions. Use this feature to create data-driven graphics for presentation or if you're doing research on an area of interest. Sometimes seeing the data differently can generate more insights. Styling can be applied to many layers on the platform, not just the parcel boundaries. So try it out and experiment. I hope this allows you to have more ways to unlock and use the data on the Ratio.City platform because we have tons of it. Let us know if you've already tried data styling or if this is new to you. Until next time.